Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and Eurjpy. So before you get into the video, hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. So you all know that I've dropped a course. So that's lesson number 1 on our YouTube channel. Check it out. Yeah. So without wasting time, let's get into today's video. Okay, so we are on US30. Let me know what this things. Yeah, so we are on US30. So before we didn't know that the market starting from this point right over here up until a bit right over here was pushing to lower side, but we can see from this point right over here the market did break out. So what am I seeing? I'm seeing a new higher high, which is near. So starting from this point right over here, I see a beautiful trend line up right over here up until right over here. So starting from this point here, guys, you can see the market has been pushing to the upper side. Has been pushing to the upper side up until here. So we have our first touch, second touch, third touch. So here I can see a breakout, but if you look closely, you can see that you have a lot of wicks. The market seems like it cannot push to the upper side due to this level here. So, but also we know how the market moves: impulse correction, impulse correction. So from starting from this point here, I can see a correction. We could see an impulse move, or this could be a fake breakout. The market could push to lower side. So let us keep on analyzing to see what's really going on. So let us cater for the lower side as well. Starting from here. So on the lower side, we have only 2 touches. So okay, make this. Okay. So on the lower side, we have only 2 touches, and on the upper side, you have the third touch right over here. So you could see a push to the lower side. So let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on. Okay, so now we're on the 4-hour time frame. What am I seeing? So if I look closely, starting from this point right over here, you have a beautiful trend line. You can put it like this. Okay, you have a beautiful trend line pushing to the upper side. So we can see that the market, bear in mind, guys, this level right over here is important. So if the market does not break this level right over here, we are not buying, we are still selling. So bear in mind. So you're still on US30. So if you close starting from this point right over here, so bear in mind this is what we have on Dow Jones. So on US30. So we can see this is kind of like a wedge. So it's right over here. So we could see a potential movement to the lower side due to this wedge. So there's a wedge. So we could see a push to lower side. And if you look, the market is now a little bit downtrending, not buying. So we could see an impulse movement to lower side. So we're only going to sell if we reach this level right over here. And by meaning reaching the level, I mean that the market should close below this level right over here on the 4-hour time frame. Then we could say we are selling. So if we let us move to the 1-hour time frame to confirm, because there's a lot happening here. So let us move this line. Let us remove this line for now. So if you look closely, this is a beautiful setup that I'm seeing here. A beautiful wedge. So yeah, starting from this right over here. Let us cater for here like this. Dotted line. And let us cater for the lower side as well. So you could see that we have a touch right over here, and bear in mind we are still inside this wedge right over here, so we could see a potential breakout from this point right over here. After this touch right over here, a push to the lower side. And if you see a move like this, then just know we are selling. So bear in mind, like I've said, you're going to sell only if we close below this level of 32875. Then I could say we are selling. And then our take profit could be, first take profit right over here will be here, and the others as we go on. So yeah, others right over here. So if we do enter this trade, this is how we should do it. Okay, so yeah, let us move to Eurjpy. Okay, so now we're on Eurjpy, and if you want to know how I managed to draw all those levels, the link is in the description below. Is our lesson number 1. So yeah, guys, look closely. This is simple, very simple. So what I'm seeing starting from this one right over here, I'm seeing a push to the upper side. So if you can see that our first touch and second touch are super clear, and let us cater for the upper side as well. So this is super easy. I hope you all can see it. Okay, let me remove this one over here. So if you look close, we're still on the daily time frame, and we have our first touch, second touch, third touch, first, second, third, but the market is downtrending right over here. So what am I seeing? And we all know this pattern is a wedge, and the rules of the wedge is that the market will move inside this pattern up until uh, it decides to break out to the lower side. So these are the rules of a wedge. So let us keep on analyzing. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame to get more details. So we're on the 4-hour time frame, and I just want to focus around this area here, right over here, because I'm seeing a beautiful touch right over here with a pin bar candlestick on the 4-hour time frame, and a push to the upper side. But if you look closely, this level right over here, it is well respected. So we don't know if the market could bypass this level. So yeah, let me see. I'm seeing something happening around this area here, but I can't see what. So let me move to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, there it is. So let me use this. Starting from this point right over here, I can see this. Okay, let me use the dotted lines, and starting from this point right over here. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I'm seeing on the 1-hour time frame. So if you closely, the market created another beautiful wedge pattern right over here. And so if we see a push to lower side, we could see a breakout here, right over here. Then another will be selling. But bear in mind that we have a huger, the same pattern, but on a different time frame, on a higher time frame. So the only way we're going to trade this is when we break out of this level right over here on the bigger one. But for now, you can scale in and write a little bit of some profits up until right over here. But all in all, we are going for the sellers on Eurjpy. So if you want more signals, you can click our link in the description for the Telegram group. And if you want to sign up for the broker that we use, the link is also there. And if you don't have Telegram, you only have WhatsApp, you can click the link for WhatsApp. I'll just create a new group. So yeah, that will be all from us. FX Travels signing out.